you did see this. Looking pretty much like that.
Resurrection plant.
Resurrection plant. This is your Lycophyta. This is your example of Lycophytes.
Which one are you paying attention to?
Both. If you're lucky, you can get it to green up, but normally it looks like some sort of rotten cabbage. That's the way it looked at the back when you guys were seeing it back there.
What is that one?
Lycophyta. This is the resurrection plant. You guys with me? Cycadophyta. Now that you know what these things are, you probably started realizing, oh my God, they're everywhere around here. Very common landscaping plant. Very long lived too, so if you're interested in planting something that will be there a long time.
What is that plant?
Sago palm is Cycadophyta.
They're dog killers.
Are they dog killers?
Yes. Your dog.
They eat the little red things?
Do
middle.
do they need to form the little cone?
Yeah, like the red bowl.
Or just
It's just kill your dog if it eats enough of it.
huh?
It's usually those little red bowls that form the cone.
Yeah.
Ginkgo.
Oh, ginkgo.
Ginkgophyta.
Ginkgophyta. Rubbery.
Crazy looking tree. Kosher?
It's like a propellus.
That's an open Ginkgophyta.
Christmas tree.
When you think Christmas tree, think conifer. Coniferophyta. Male cone or female cone? How can you tell? It's the shape, it's roundish.
Well, the other one is
Very thin, yeah.
long and thin.
What do we got here?
Pine
seeds.
Pignon. Pine nuts, right? So these are, what else would you call these?
Yeah.
Seeds.
Pine seeds. Yeah.
Well, I mean, I didn't even look.
Yeah, exactly.
What's the name for it?
It's pine nut. This is a seed. So the female cone, after the sperm fertilizes, this is what they're making. And then, if you get the right type, you would put them in a blender with copious amounts of olive oil and basil. Good time.
Would that be on test?
Could be. Male or female?
Female.
Female.
Right? You see the little ovule
Okay, female.
and the egg apparatus?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Male.
Male.
Male. Male. Male.
You guys with me? There's the male cone on the microscope slide. Looking totally different, right? So, what's all this business that's in here?
Sperm.
Pollen.
Pollen.
Exactly. Sperm cells.
That's a male, right?
That's
Yeah.
Okay. You with me? I know some of you are thinking, where are the protists?
What's the one called? Spirogyra. There you go.
Here are the protists. Name it. Spirogyra. Okay. So, what is all these green things in here? Hello. Chloroplasts. What are these marks? To show you individual cells, yes? Here you are, up close and personal, with the chloroplasts, as if to say, check us out with chloroplasts. Now what's going on?
Mating, conjugation.
Okay, conjugation. So here it's asexual, and here it is.
Sexual.
All right. Kosher?
Would you show that on the last step?
Not that early, unless you can see it as a continuous process. I want you to be able to sort it out. Here's the asexual, here's the beginning. Which is male and which is female,
One on
y'all?
the left is male, and one on the right is female, because it has the zygotes.
Exactly. You guys following me? So the male moves into the female. That's how that works. So you form little footballs. I know, right? Insert your own joke here. So these are haploid or diploid? Haploid or diploid?
Haploid.
Haploid, so they unite, and then you're forming the zygotes. You guys with me? What do we got here, folks? Water net, hydrodiction. Eukaryotic or prokaryotic? Okay, so remember, if you're sorting this out, only bacteria are prokaryotic. Everything else is eukaryotic. And then you should be thinking, is this thing acting like a plant or not acting like a plant? And that'll sort you out. Photosynthetic, heterotrophic, autotrophic. Kosher? Up close and personal. Ah. Protococcus. Eukaryotic,
Yes.
prokaryotic. Eukaryotic. Now this is the only one. These are small. If you're going to get somebody confused, you might get protococcus and think of some sort of blue-green algae thing. Don't do it. The blue-green algae are colonial. They look like little necklaces. They look like little filamentous pieces. They don't look like round things.
What is that called again?
Protococcus. Yes, no, maybe.
An algae.
Protophyta. Now this is another one I can sense you telling me in psychic email to put this on the test a few times because they're big and they're red and they're, oh my God, there's nothing else that looks like that. Da-da-da! What do we got here?
Fucus.
Fucus.
Oh, I was right.
Rockweed. Male or female?
Male.
There's the female, the chunks in it. These are generally called conceptacles, and you can sex them. Kind of looking like pollen, kind of looking like ovules. Not exactly what's going on here, close enough for government work. Oh, here we go. Diatoms. Here's an example. Who's talking about diatom work? I think that was Ashley, the other Ashley that's not here.
Quite nice though.
Yeah. People get paid to manually put these together. If you get it big enough, you can see it with the naked eye. You can see there's a lot of hours involved in this. What do you got here? This is what share it is. Can you tell the male bits from the female bits?
The female bits have two little, are like big ones.
That one's a little bit kind of folded over. Female and male, yes? Let's see if we got another picture here. Uh-oh, those are not very good pictures. You got a much better picture of what's going on, 1:16 for Wacheru.